All right, here we are again, back in the whites for some fall foliage. Not the best of days. A little bit of rain on and off, but still see the foliage fine. I'm hoping it clears up a little in the next hour and a half. The wingman with me. We are doing Mount Hale today. It's actually one I wanted to do last weekend when we were here, but the wife's feet weren't in the best of shape. So we just did Mount Zealand last week, and I'll do Hale today. I wanted to get it done before they close the winter road here. So that's about it. It's a very quick one today, so won't be that long of a video. A few chewy GoPro moments, and see what we can see. It's an enclosed mountain, and with the rain, I figured with an enclosed peak, it won't be too bad today. So we'll get this one out of the way. It's only 2.2 to the peak, 4.4 mile hike. See how long it takes. But all right, see you guys when we get some good foliage. You ready, Chew? Oh yeah, he's ready. Yeah, it's about 44 degrees today, right now. Might get up to 60, but we'll probably be already done by then. That's it. Got the long sleeves on today. Just a blanket of leaves. Pretty cool. Should be a nice hike up. Wingman's got his GoPro going right now. All right, here we go.
Hey, buddy. Oh, he's got a little GoPro on him.
He does.
Gotta get the full foliage from both points of view. Yeah, you too.
Hi, Tom. Hello, Tom. How are you? Ooh, you're gonna have a good movie when you get back.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome.
As long as it doesn't, the R word. Yeah, it's fun. You too, thanks. What's up?
Let's get the camera on.
He's one of those. Right up on you.
Yeah.
He doesn't want to pass.
We don't mind.
He's like, can I go? Oh, hey, beautiful. Ooh. He's a handsome doggy.
Good boy, Chewy. Good boy. Very lackluster hike with the rain. We're already close to the top. We're about an hour in. Going at a fast clip. So, wingman's right there. It's just a lot of chewy GoPro action today. The lackluster views. I mean, the sun's trying to come out, but I don't think we'll see much. Hopefully on the way down, but almost to the top. Here we go. Hey, Bubba. You're going behind me. Coming up to an opening. I always like to share my peaks. And it's raining. I didn't know it was raining. Just a light rain. We're at the top. Come here, Chewy. Oh boy. That's it. That's where we were last week. Allen Falls Hunt. 2.8 miles away. Nice. Hey. Descending down Hale, and it almost feels like Hale out. It's coming down pretty good, so it's gonna be a little slower going down. If it's raining like this later, I'm not even gonna go check out the falls. I'm just gonna go home and get warm, because it's raw out today. It's not a foliage day, so that's it. Hey, Chew. It looks like it's clearing up, which is nice, because I think we're gonna go check out those falls. So our journey will continue. Hopefully we can find parking. This whole pandemic thing, it's been extremely busy in the Whites, extremely busy. New hikers and everything. So, but the sun is peaking. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Real nice stretch of ridgeline. Went up that last week. Pretty cool. Okay, a little Mount Hale assessment. If you're a beginner and you want to try a 4,000 footer, this is a good one to try because it's only 4.5 miles. Good beginner one. If you're a veteran, doing it a while, do the loop, do the Mount Zealand, do the Zealand Hale loop. It's just not enough. I mean, we're just warming up here. So that's why we're gonna go check out the falls and see what's going on there. I heard there was an accident there last week. Someone fell and died, I think last Saturday. So, not that that's why we're going there, but I've always wanted to check out those falls. I think they're about 700 feet high, maybe. So, that's where we're going. See you in a little bit. Close to the bottom. Another 20 minutes.
Hi. Are you a good dog?
Yeah, just enjoying the... Everyone enjoys Chewy's GoPro. I love it. I love doing that. I love that he loves to hike. I love that he's good at hiking. I cherish every hike that I have with that dog. He's such a good dog. A little local celeb around here, around New Hampshire. I've had a few. Hey, that's Chewy. Yeah, that's Chewy, all right. Damn good on the trail. Damn good. So, all my hiking dog people out there, cherish every hike. Cherish every hike you have with them. I have these memories of all my YouTube videos with them. It's nice. But one day I know it'll hurt, but right now I'm loving it. Loving everyone. That's it. My tidbit for the day. Love your dog. Every day.
Say hi.
Can we pet Daddy? Hi, puppy.
Yeah, he might. He's in hiking mode though. He might not stop.